creators, welcome back to Sam's channel where we create memories. Today you are joining me in making a watercolor painting that is a tree holding a pocket watch. So if you are a fan of Harry Potter, you may have done a test to see what house you are eligible for. So either you're a Hufflepuff, Slytherin, or so forth. You may also be interested in this painting piece that we create. So basically, I have someone in my friend group that is a Slytherin, or would be a part of the Slytherin house, and I'm taking some of the ideas that are in Harry Potter. So there is a family tree for Harry Potter's family that I'm using to kind of give me a direction of how I want the tree in this picture to look like, as well as the pocket watch is referring to the Slytherin side. So we're kind of taking those two different homes, or houses I should say, and combining them in a painting. So we'll go quickly over the materials that I use for this painting, and then we'll get started and you'll see kind of the time lapse of me creating it. So let's get into it. What you'll need for this painting is watercolored paper, painter's tape, black watercolor pencil and a green watercolor pencil, Sharpie, watercolor paint. Specifically for this one, I used brown, oil silver paint, black acrylic paint, pencil and eraser. I want to thank you guys for watching my video and joining me in this process of making a tree holding a mysterious pocket watch for the Slytherin household. It is probably a great demonstration of how over time using watercolor and the process of layers, how important it is to just continuously practice and see the outcome of it being successful, and just the detail of the tree was my favorite part. Make sure to comment down below what your favorite part of the painting was, or if you have any suggestions that you'd like to share. As well, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the content that comes out in the future. I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!